Hi friends, very good evening. This is HBMS World. Today is 9th of November. So today we are going to analyze one more Nifty 50 chart. So before analyzing the chart, let me tell you that this channel is all about educational purpose. We are going with trend lines, price actions and support and resistance. We are not giving any recommendations. If you're going to purchase anything and if you're going to do any investment, that is purely your own risk. And let's start analyzing. Yesterday we went with IHM Motors and today we are going with Grasim. So Grasim is non-energy mineral construction materials industry. Its today's closing price is 1863.85 paisa, 14 rupees 90 paisa growth, that is 0.81%. So you know how I am analyzing. I'm always going with monthly. So if you go and as we all know, this started in 2000. So let's start. So this is 1887. So this month it is at its peak. Second, this is one of the support 1300. In between, we are not able to find any major support resistance. So let's go to weekly chart and we'll see if anything is there. So guys, in weekly uh, one pattern I am finding is this one. This is one of the pattern. If you see, and any support resistance is there. 1785, 17, 1717, and next point to watch is how I am pointing out this red candle top and this green candle wick. From here you will observe this, and no chart pattern is coming into picture right now. So let's see in daily one. If you see daily, yesterday it grows and today it also grows. So this is like today it went to its highest point, and mm, hourly one. So if you see the hourly one, it went high, retest this one and goes downward. So it is going like that. If you see this and this, now it is going like that. Might be this. So let's see in the coming days how it will perform. So we will, because it's earning, you can say it's no, the result will going to come soon, 11th of November. So let's wait and watch. So now let's go to the older charts. IHM Motors. So now we will analyze the chart on a daily basis, whatever the previous charts we analyze. Still in the same support and resistance, 27892, 2653. Dr. Reddy not breaking any line. Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab broke the trend line. This one. So let's watch tomorrow. But the like a red candle which form is having a very less selling, but still the wicks are high, but the major selling is less. Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited is still testing this 171 level. Guys, if 171 levels break, definitely it will be skyrocketing till 204. So keep have a look on it. Cipla. Cipla is still in the same range. Britannia, Britannia, Britannia opened at this point but went till high, and this trend line I am nullifying right now. So let's wait and watch, because this is at this particular you can say support 3604. BPCL, mm, Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel is also testing, guys. So keep have a look. Keep have a look on the Bharti Airtel. Keep it in radar. Bajaj Finserv. Okay, Bajaj Finserv again tested this. So this is like one of the, you can see this one is a 18073 is a major support. So Asian Paint, Asian Paint is still under this trend line. So guys, Asian Paint, we have no, this is not a trend line because only one day left. And Adani Ports is also with this trend line, it is going on. So that's all, guys. That's all from my end. That's all from HBMS World. Do subscribe to my channel and do let me know what else required to be analyzed. We will analyze those charts also. It might be related to S&P, Nasdaq, or cryptocurrencies or anything else. We will keep analyzing the charts. Thank you. Have a good day.